Hi guys, it's Colin again from GetJamaica.com, and we're here today reviewing what is known as the Jamaican Cooking Made Easy 3rd edition best jerk chicken recipe. Now, it's so amazing that we had to point out to you that look, though jerk recipes basically, or jerk chicken recipes basically, have a flavor to its own, and every single one of the jerk chicken recipes gotten a flavor to its own. But we're going to teach you basically today how to get your best Jamaican jerk chicken recipe at your fingertips. Now, what we wanted to do is basically go to the website getjamaica.com. That's www.getjamaica.com or getjamaica.com, and look for the link that says Jamaican Cooking Made Easy, the 3rd edition. Go ahead, download that cookbook, and this is what you're going to get. You're going to get the most intuitive Jamaican cookbook that you've gotten on the market today. In fact, it's not only the most intuitive, it is the largest Jamaican cookbook on the market with over 1,000 authentic Jamaican recipes. Now, as you can see, you'd get quickly to the table of contents, and we're going to tell you that the table of contents are so easy to navigate. Quickly, you've got the acknowledgements, dedication, and so on and so on. You've got over 500 cooking tips and hints all in one place. Then, of course, you've got the Jamaican appetizer and breakfast recipes, soup and broth recipes, chicken and poultry recipes, beef and veal and meat recipes, pork recipes, fish recipes, seafood recipes, jerk recipes, baking recipes, dessert and confectionery recipes, easy gourmet and 5-minute recipes, sauce and seasonings and stuffing recipes, side dish salads and chutney recipes, vegetarian and Rastafarian recipes, drink recipes, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic, diabetic recipes, and of course, holiday recipes. No, I mean, you can't get any better than that. And let's show you with how much ease you can actually navigate. So if you wanted to find the best Jamaican jerk chicken recipe, all you've got to do is to go ahead, click on Jamaican jerk recipes, that particular chapter. It takes you to the entire Jamaican jerk chicken recipes chapter, or the Jamaican jerk recipes chapter. Now let's check out, and we're looking for the jerk chicken recipes. You've got the Boston jerk sauce recipe, Boston jerk chicken wings recipe. You've got the ginger Jamaican jerk chicken recipe. You've got the home style Jamaican jerk chicken recipe. You've also got the jerk chicken fingers. You've got Jamaican jerk breast. You've also got jerk ackee with chicken. You've got Jamaican jerked crock pot chicken. You've got jerk chicken grilled with spicy marinade. You've got jerk chicken fajitas with papaya salsa. You've got the jerk chicken salad, and possibly you've got even one of the best ones that we've seen is the Montego Bay style jerk chicken. But everyone loves a specific dish, and that is the Jamaican jerk pasta. Now let's assume you wanted to get to the Jamaican jerk pasta. All you've got to do is go ahead and click on that link, and you're taken directly to that particular recipe, giving you the ingredients and giving you the preparation. Now let's assume that you don't have all the ingredients to make the Jamaican jerk chicken pasta. Then all you've got to do is to go ahead and click on back to the top of the chapter. It takes you back here, and you're back at the top of the chapter for the Jamaican jerk recipes. And that's just so intuitive. No other Jamaican cookbook out there can boast this kind of navigation, and in fact cannot boast this whole collection of over 1,000 authentic Jamaican recipes. So what you've got to do, pick up your copy today, go to www.getjamaica.com, look for the link that says Jamaican Cooking Made Easy, click on that link and download your copy of Jamaican Cooking Made Easy today to start cooking the best Jamaican jerk recipe that there is. Okay guys, till next time, take care.